going up. Hi, we have reached lock number 5 on Sheffield Canal, Tinsley Flight. Over there is Meadowhall, which, when it was built, was the largest indoor shopping complex in Europe. Not long after opening, the city centre died, and just as one of those sort of little strange facts, all the planning gain that we were supposed to have got from Meadowhall failed to materialise. Strangely enough, when we talk about planning gain, there's another rather large, which was, I think, the largest in the UK. I'll get a different angle on this in a second. Some of you might notice we got a bent tiller. There's a story behind that in its own right from about 6 years ago. I'll save that one for when you're really bored. Where was I? Oh yes, a certain Swedish furnishings company, when they built this a couple of years ago, it was the largest in the UK or something similar. And just like Sheffield didn't gain from the planning application for Meadowhall, this particular Swedish furnishings company agreed with planning gain to upgrade some of the local transport infrastructure, most notably for cycleways, which would have taken a lot of the strain off the canal towpath, which is rutted beyond belief because of cyclists. And strangely enough, when it come to do it, they found a little clause in the contract that meant that they could wheedle their way out of it. So what I would say is, next time you look through their wonderful catalogue, if you want a set of shelves, which are probably called something like fanny batter, or you need a new cushion from their snot range, why don't you think about telling them to shove it and go and find a local shop instead? Because it is local shops which are about to suffer. So, interesting fact about the Sheffield Canal, number 2, is that we are right next to 2 of the most exploitative rip-off merchants on the planet as far as Sheffield is concerned, IKEA and Paul Sykes' Meadowhall, both of which screwed over the people of Sheffield. Probably get sued for saying that, but as far as I'm aware, the truth is still a valid defence in English law. I'll finish off with a little zoom down the locks. Quite soon, boys and girls, we'll be at Tinsley Marina. Back soon.